In the world of home ownership, a home's personal touch can make all the difference. It's not just about the structure, but the soul you infuse into it. Let's dive into some creative ways to truly make your home a reflection of you. Wall art with a story. Instead of generic prints, opt for art pieces that have a personal story or connection. Whether it's a painting from a local artist or a framed photo from your travels, let your walls tell your tale. Unique furniture pieces. Invest in furniture that stands out. Antique shops, flea markets, or even custom-made pieces can add a distinctive flair to your living space. DIY accent walls. Give a room character with a DIY accent wall. Whether it's a mural, a stenciled pattern, or reclaimed wood, an accent wall can be a conversation starter. Personalized decor items. From custom throw pillows to engraved nameplates, personalized decor items not only make your home feel more intimate but also serve as cherished keepsakes. Indoor plants with personality. Go beyond the usual ferns and succulents. Choose plants that resonate with your personality, and don't shy away from exotic varieties. They not only purify the air but also add a touch of nature to your decor. Your home is more than just a building, it's a canvas for your personal style. By adding these creative touches, you not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also create a space that truly feels like home. Remember, in the realm of real estate and design, it's the personal touches that elevate a house to a home.